Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today we're gonna do this countertop with ceiling. Okay. So I'll just go to bathroom. That one is bathroom, right? Then come to garnish, select plate. Okay, drag this super plate out first. Okay. Then you change the size. Let's say I change it to 1200. Okay, and make it come up like 600. Okay. Then I'll just click on. I'll just drag another one. Simple, drag another one, put on top. Okay, then click on this one, change the height like 300 I think 405 lah, 450 then come to here. Okay, we're gonna open the hole like this, something like this. Okay, just click on here. Okay, click on B selection, B, then see this one, click on the panel, right click on this panel point editing. Okay, so in this plan, right, you just click this one, open hole, then free drawing. Okay, so we'll come to here. Okay, so roughly 100 each of them. I give a gap 100 here, 100 here, 100. So you got a hole already, you can see from here. Okay, then you click on the rectangle, click on this button, chamfer it lah. Okay, so this one will be something like this. Okay, something like this the curved. Okay, so I make a radius 50 lah. Okay, this one same thing, just do the same thing. Click on here, make the radius 50. Okay, click on here, make the radius 50. Okay, then click save. Okay, after that you exit. Okay, so now we have something like this, right? You can click on this panel, then right click material, cabinet material, change the material to stone only. So we change to marble. You find something similar, like this. Okay, then just copy, format painter, click on it, format painter. Okay, this one you can exit first the box selection, then click on the panel, change the size. Click B, box selection, click on the panel, then you see this button, panel stitching. Okay, click on this one, panel stitching. Click on it. Okay, click on this one. So make it go inside lah. I don't want let the person see, so I make it minus 20. 20 cannot, minus 30. Okay, cannot see. Quick. Okay, exit. So this one is the bathtub already. Then we add something like water tap. Okay, a gold color water tap. So I find something gold water tap. Go to public, furniture, bathroom, then maybe others. You will see water tap. A lot of water tap here. Let's see something similar. Okay, similar. Okay, like this or something like this. Just drag only. This is how you create lah. Sometimes you can just find this thing in library or my suggest lah. Okay, so we change the material lah. Go OLD, go. See, gold material. So just drag only, simple as that. They will look similar. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.